Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, before we start, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to create a little dictionary here called myDict is equal to, and it's going to be an empty dictionary because we are going to populate it. So we shall create a function called populate dictionary. Okay, right, so while true, we're going to do something. So the key here that we're going to put into our dictionary is going to be equal to input. So the user is going to be able to type in their own key. So enter key. Okay, the value is going to be equal to input, so the user is going to input their own value, enter value. So we're going to, sorry, made a little mistake there, it shouldn't be that, it should be that. Okay, so enter value because this is going to be a dictionary, not a list. Okay, so the user will enter the key and the value that they want to insert into this dictionary here. So I'm going to say if the length of the key here is greater than 8, and say the length of the value is greater than 8, we're going to do something. My dictionary, myDict, key and equal to value, else break out of the program. Now we're going to print myDict. Okay, we're going to call it. Okay, so if it's greater than 8 and the value that you've entered is greater than 8, then we're going to enter the key and the value into it. Okay, I'm going to call it by populate dictionary. Okay, so let's just save that. Let's just run it. Valid syntax. Oh dear, seem to have made a little mistake here. Sorry, I didn't mean greater than 8, I meant less than 8. Oops, less that. Okay, made a little bit of mistake there, shouldn't have done that. Okay. Right, so if the length of the key is less than 8, we can enter the key and the value into there. Okay, or else if it's not, we're going to break. Okay, enter the key, so it's going to be less than 8. I'm going to enter Dave, value 55. Okay, so there we go. So let's enter another one, Steve, value 99. There we go, so we are populating the dictionary. Okay, let's enter something quite long, ridiculous like that, and something ridiculous like that. Okay, and it's not been entered because the value has got to be less than 8, and the length, sorry, the key has got to be less than 8 and the value has got to be less than 8. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. If you found that useful, remember, hit that subscribe button give it a thumbs up, and drop me a comment. Just say hello or something or whatever. And I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.